Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel Sonam. In today's video we'll unbox and review the Glam Treasure Box October 2019 edition. It's themed as the Festive edition and is priced at $14.49 including shipping. The longer subscriptions are cheaper and this time they have a makeup revolution eyeshadow palette with shade choice. So I cannot wait to open it. Let's get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
This is how the box has reached me. As usual, a huge package. So here is our pretty Glam Treasure box with their logo. Once we open it, here is the info card and all the products. So let's go through them one by one. So first, let me start with the product of choice, and can you see it's a golden egg? I absolutely love the packaging. So this is a product by Makeup Revolution and it is worth 1050 rupees. You have 6.7 grams of product. You have a shade choice in this product. I will be adding all the shades here. So they will send a mail to which you can reply with the shade of your choice and they'll send you that. This is how it opens, and here are the eyeshadow shades. These are mostly like neutral shades, brown shades, which I usually prefer using most of the times for a basic makeup look. And these are the two highlighter shades which you can use as eyeshadow as well, and I absolutely love the gold and this champagne shade. Actually, I chose my shades based on the highlighters that I liked and I knew that will suit darker skin tones more. Let me give you guys a swatch. This is really pigmented. That is the swatch of the golden highlighter, guys. I love it. Not very glittery, like not chunky glitters. If you blend it, it will give you a really nice sheen. Now let's try this champagne shade as well. Both the shades are absolutely stunning. And I like that there's a matte shade here, this brown. So if you're going out on trips and all, you can use this as a eyebrow powder as well. These two, both of these can be used as eyebrow shades as well. Ooh, this one is a very dark taupey shade and the pigmentation is bang on. Very creamy and buttery shades. Let's swatch a glittery shade as well. I love this one, copper shade as well. These kind of shades I like to wear for evenings. I really like them. They're subtle but they look really nice. I'm quite happy with this palette. Not just the packaging, of course the packaging looks so good, but the colors are also really nice and the pigmentation, everything is really good. So very happy with this product. And it's worth more than 1000 rupees, which already makes the box value for money. So this is the golden shade that I chose. Now along with that, they have also sent a very cute set of brushes. So to do your makeup, you have a set of brushes as well. And I absolutely love the packaging of this one too. No doubts this is the cutest brush set that I hold so far. It says Hello Kitty, small size, perfect to travel with. So once you open, this is how the brushes come individually packaged. It seems pretty good quality. These are the silicone bristles ones and quite soft. Of course, these will not be like branded high-end brushes, but they're really good to start with and to travel with. I feel it's a very good cute brush set and definitely usable. Then we have this absolutely stunning ethnic sling bag or clutch. It is in a combination of pink and blue, and I really like the work or print that you can see. It seems like a handmade cloth material, very sturdy. The color combination is great and the quality is really great too. Once you open, this is how the inside is. So this is the sling, the silver sling that's there, and additionally you have this zipper pouch inside to secure your money or a phone, whatever. And it is quite spacious too. You can keep a lot of things inside this. The chain quality is good too, and this is quite sturdy. It's not like flimsy or anything, so I'm really happy with this one. I like this because it's very unique, and if you're wearing something ethnic, these kind of wallets really go well with that. So quite happy with this. And then there is this small cute coin pouch. It has this printed pattern and this zipper on one side, and there's a tassel as well. Very cute and something that you can keep your essentials, coins. I use such kind of pouches to keep my jewelry if I'm traveling. So I keep a small pouch like this in my handbag and carry my precious jewelry with me. Up next we have some jewelry. There is a beautiful studded earring. This is how it looks and I absolutely love this. Very pretty, and the stone quality of Glam Treasure earrings is really good. They're really shiny, glittery, look like a quality premium piece. And this is so versatile. You can pair this with almost everything, whether you're wearing ethnic, modern, Indo-Western, suit, kurti. Like, this is really versatile and I love the pattern. It's really nice. The next we have a very nice dainty bracelet. So this is how it looks. Just a knot here in golden color. Very pretty. I love such patterns. You guys know I like such dainty pieces a lot, and this is exactly my style. So again, this is one of my favorites in the box. I actually ended up liking everything in the box this time, and I will be using most of these products. I love the ikkat print sling bag. This is so stunning. It kind of reminds me of the dragon eggs in Game of Thrones. The jewelry is absolutely stunning, completely my style, my kind of pattern, design, and the daintiness. Everything is just perfect for my taste. This is so cute, like everything is so good. I feel it's definitely a value for money box. I personally liked it. This product itself is more than 1000 rupees and the jewelry is such good quality. And this ikkat kind of cloth is really costly. I know that because I have some kurtis from ikkat pattern. So overall I feel it's really nice. I liked it. If you liked it and are interested in getting it, then all details are mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.